You never were an angel, you sure enough brought me down to my knees and pray. Here in the darkness, I have found that losing you is hell to pay. No woman ever hurt me so bad, never made me feel so good. I don't want to forget you, though I know I should. I hear the sound of the morning rain, but I don't want to end this dream. It's the one in the fields again, when I hear you calling out to me. Girl, I know it's just a dream, but you're the only dream that I have left. You'll always be my misery and my happiness. You tore me apart, but I'm a lucky man. Some poor hearts, they never have a chance. I know it's bittersweet, but you're the one I never will forget. You'll always be my misery and my happiness.